Hi, hello. It is today, Saturday, 13th of January. So I believe I filmed last on Wednesday when I put together my TV stand and was kind of putting away all of my stuff. I stopped filming because I was so tired and my car was full because I have a problem. I have no clue where my SD cards are. I have one right now and it takes about an hour to put everything from my SD card onto my computer. So I have absolutely no clue where they are. I cleaned up all of the boxes. So I took everything out that I brought with me. I have not seen them. That's so stupid. I have no clue, which is such a problem. So I don't really know what to do with that, but okay. Anyway, let me give you a little update. So we have one box for my vacuum cleaner. The rest I put in the car because of course I had a very big box again from this thing, but that is gonna go a nice little trash bin. I believe I showed that already. If not, there's my trash bin. So I cleaned out all of the boxes, which is so incredibly nice. They're still over here. I'm gonna bring them back to my old home and put them in the attic because my mom said I could. Along with all of this stuff, this is gonna go too. But it's so nice that I don't have any boxes anymore. That is gonna go too because it just doesn't really work properly anymore. This is my bed situation right now. I have to put up the lights better because they keep falling. But I brought tape with me, so I think if I use that, it'll stay a bit better. This is all stuff that's gonna go under my bed, including some other stuff that I have in boxes in the closet, like Christmas decorations, stuff like that. So since I'm cleaning my sheets today, I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to do that. What I also wanted to do today is shorten my curtains, but I have a problem. So basically you have like these bands that you can iron, and then that's basically how you can shorten your curtains. I know we bought it. I saw it last week, but I think we might have actually thrown it out by accident. So that is a problem. So I don't have what I need to shorten the curtains, but I think, because of course I have 2 layers of curtains, but I think because it's so see-through, I don't think I want to put the band in because you will see that. What I think I'm gonna do, try and cut it and see how that looks. If that looks okay, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then the thicker curtains, I will use the band for, but I'm gonna have to buy that tomorrow. I have the rug from the IKEA that I have to return, and I have to pick up a new one from another store tomorrow. Oh. Okay, let's get started. I think I'm gonna get started with my bed, putting stuff under my bed. Let's do that. I think that was everything that I wanted to put in here. I managed to get one box empty, so that is awesome. Time to put my mattress back. It looks messy like this, I'm so sorry. But everything under my bed, I'm so proud. I only have 2 boxes with like storage stuff and they're not even full. So I'm so proud of myself because I've always been a person who has way too many things that I do not need. Things that I never look for, things that I never even do anything with. So that is really a moment for me. Anyway, now that we're cleaning up the mess and we're finally getting to the point where I don't have anything in my room anymore that I don't need, I'm just gonna keep going and move all of this stuff back to my old house. I also really want to get rid of my vacuum cleaner box, but I don't have room for that in the car because I have to go pick up my rug tomorrow. I'm gonna go bring stuff to my old house. I will see you in a minute. Bye. Hi, I'm back. I went back home, I dropped off everything. So now it's already 4:30, which is kind of later than I had hoped, but I found one of my SD cards. Thank God. So I don't have to wait an hour to continue filming. So that is really, really nice since it's already kind of late, and I also just want to unwind and relax today since it's Saturday. I'm gonna do the curtains right now. At least the lacy curtains on the inside. I'm gonna start with that, see how far I'll get. Let's just get started. I just want to point out that this is such a random way to do this. I did not look up how to do this. The best way is, I believe, to take them off and do it properly, but I'm not doing that. So I'm doing it like this, but it turned out perfectly fine. Would you look at that? They're short. So of course I had them like this, like to the side, which I really love. They kind of go up more at the bottom, but I don't really care, honestly. I just did this very sloppy. Don't do what I did. It's perfectly fine like this. I think so. Oh my god, don't mind the mess at my desk, but I'm not gonna do the ones over here because I'd have to move like my iMac and my table and everything. So I'm gonna do that when I'm gonna do the other ones too. So that is that. It's so nice to have them shorter. It also creates so much more space on the floor. Really have to clean up my desk because look at this mess. I'm so sorry. So I'm gonna go do that and then I'm just gonna relax. I think I'm just gonna play on my Nintendo Switch. I'm gonna watch Rapunzel tonight. I'm so excited for that. I will see you whenever I finish the rest of these curtains. Okay, bye. Hi, hello. Today it is 20th of January. I believe I was gonna film more last weekend and I ended up not doing it. Doesn't matter, we're here anyway. So little update, I have my rug. I kid you not, it is literally as soft as it looks. It's so incredibly soft and so nice. The only thing is that my coffee table looks kind of small on top of this rug. It's not in the middle right now either, but we don't care. I don't want a bigger coffee table because I want to be able to easily walk past it. That is great. Also, my lamps arrived this morning, but I do not actually know how to attach them, so not gonna be doing that today. What I am gonna be doing right now is my curtains because we really have to shorten those. I already did it like this over here to just kind of get it out of the way, but then I did these two and I didn't really feel like doing the other ones, so only these two are a little bit shorter. But I have this, which you use the iron for. You can just iron it short, kind of. I'm gonna be doing that. I really hope I don't mess it up. Let's get started with this. Okay, I did the first one and that took so long. It was it was really annoying work, but it looks so much better. But I really don't feel like doing the other 6 right now. I don't believe it's that tidy, but I really do not care. Oh my god, that is so much better. But I don't think I'm gonna do all of them now because I really don't feel like it. It's already late. I have to start making dinner soon. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Ta-da! They're done! I'm so happy. It looks so much better than it did before. It's not dragging all over the floor anymore. You can normally open and close them, which is also incredibly nice. It's not incredibly tidy. They're not all as straight. They're not all very perfect, but that is fine. That is totally okay. I really don't mind. My curtains are done. They're looking fantastic, and I'm so happy with it. So we can check curtains off the list. That is fantastic. I'm really glad about that. Lamps will also go up soon. I'm gonna think about exactly what I want for wall decoration. That is kind of a thing. We are so far done and I'm so very happy about that. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my Sunday and I will see you again soon. Bye. Hello. It is package time. So I bought some things from Temu, just a few home decor items. These are hearts that you can hang from the ceiling or something, or like, you know, on the wall. I just saw this on Temu and I was like, that is so fun. I've never seen anything like this before. This is something different. This is when I realized I didn't have anything for ice cubes. Saw that you could also make chocolate arts with it and stuff. And then I was like, why not? I got this. The smell. It's a tiny ducky lamp. I needed to have this. It's a lamp. Oh my god. We have my mouse mat. The pink ones were really cute. I'm scared that I'm gonna get so much pink that everything ends up being pink. I decided to get this in green because I love pink and green together. But that is really nice because I really needed a mouse mat. Yes! Oh, they're soft. These are pillowcases. Yay! Aren't they so cute? New phone case. We love a new phone case. That is so adorable. That is so precious. Oh my god, I totally forgot about this. Oh my god, yes! It's a little bit in a knot. Can you guess what it is in the meantime? It's one of those things that you hang in front of the window and when the sun shines on it, it'll like kind of project like those rainbow things in your room and it is so pretty. I'm just really curious what kind of effect this is gonna have. But I think it's gonna be cute anyway in front of the window. I have two posters. One is perfect for in the bathroom, but it's pink. I already have a lot of pink in the bathroom, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna love that one. So I bought a second one just in case, but this one can go anywhere, literally. It says, hello gorgeous, and then it's a frog, and it says you look so good. Like, this is perfect for the bathroom. I'm so excited to try that. This one I'm definitely gonna use somewhere. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh, I love this one so much. We have one last thing. It seems super tiny, super thin. Oh my god, it's already going. It's a star pillow. This is my attempt to not have as much pink. It's a really bright yellow. Looks really good with my duck. So I had this in mind on my bed, but now I'm reconsidering. I don't know. I really just have to try it out. I think I can do it now. The posters and the pillowcases. Okay, so I don't have another plant pot that fits this plant. I have an idea. Wait, I have a plant pot. How does that look? I think I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. See how I feel about it. But I do like it a lot. I think this one is perfect here. Moving on to my pillows. I think the pillows are fine. I hope they would be just a little bit cuter. I don't know why. I don't know. They're fine. I think they're better than the beige ones, which I had, but not exactly what I had in mind. The star pillow's cute, but not with this. Like, I think if this would be gone, then it would match really well like this. I don't think so. This is fine for now. The rest I'm gonna be doing some other time. So I will see you some other time. Okay, bye.